Hey everyone, okay, so today is a little trick. Now there's a lot of people out there, a huge amount of people out there who cannot use or find it very difficult to use any form of retinol or retinoid products. They can be, even for those of us who can tolerate them, incredibly irritating ingredients. The very nature of them is irritating. And anybody that's ever embarked on a retinoid experience will often tell you that there can be some troublesome months ahead. But there is still a large population of people out there who just cannot get on with them. They cannot get past that initial stage of irritancy. So this is right from the dermatologist's mouth, and this is how you can use them. The first thing you're going to need to do is pick your retinoid, whether it's a prescription strength one or an over-the-counter one, and you're going to do contact therapy. I'll show you how to do it here. It's very, very simple. What you're going to do is take your product. So I use Dermatica, so I'm going to use this as a good example. You want to take the prescribed amount, which is just tends to be a very small quantity, and you're going to apply this to wash skin that is dry. So don't apply it immediately, let your skin dry, and then dot it onto your face as you would, all the areas that you need it. Now massage it into the skin on completely dry skin. And just massage this over the entire face, underneath the eye. I very much like to go underneath the eye. I obviously don't go on the eyelids, and just work it into the skin until it's absorbed. Now all you're going to do, not wasting any of it, now all you're going to do is wait a few minutes. Some people you're going to wait a couple of minutes, others you're going to say 10 minutes. Then wash your face and wash it all off. That is contact therapy. Contact therapy has been shown, particularly on other products like benzoyl peroxide, to be incredibly effective when used in very short periods. So rather than leaving it on for the entire day, a brief period of several minutes can have a massive impact on acne without the irritation that comes from benzoyl peroxide. This is the same principle. You are getting your skin used to retinoids and then rinsing them off after a few minutes. And each day you're going to increase it by a minute, and then you're going to get up to several hours. And then you're going to find that your skin is able to benefit from this ingredient over a prolonged period of time, which typically means when you go to bed, you tend to apply it when you go to bed, and you wake up and you wash your face in the morning. But by starting off in these brief periods of a couple of minutes and adding on a minute or 2 minutes each time, your skin starts to acclimatize to this very powerful and very, very effective ingredient. It is a very clever way of going about it. It also means, and this was from the dermatologist's mouth, that people are able to start on a higher dose than they normally could because the contact time on the skin is so short. However, I still recommend you start, especially if it's a prescription one, on a very low dose to begin with. Leave it on your skin 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes, wash it off, apply the rest of your skincare, but do not apply any other retinol products. You know, it's just a lot of irritation if you're applying a true retinoid and then a retinol. Just forget it. Use your other actives, your other skincare, whatever it may be, and go about your day. And that's how to get used to using a retinoid, and it is one of the best ways of doing it. It really, really is. Contact therapy is a very cool way of getting all the benefits of skincare with these really strong actives in really, really quickly, without that irritation, that peeling, the redness, the itching, and all the other glorious things that retinoids can bring. Thanks for your time. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.